everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Today I'm testing out some more of the ColourArte primary elements, and I was going to try it with the golden pouring medium, and I mixed a bit of them. Oh, not that stuff. This, but not in matte. It was the gloss version. And it came out too thin. It was the golden pouring medium is great for tube paints because it helps to thin it. But when you're using a pigment, a dry pigment, I find it to be a little too thin for most of the techniques that I wanted to try. So then I added PolyPour to it. This is a bit of a thicker consistency. This is the perfect consistency for using these, but I like to mix and match. I like to see all of the different ways that I can use things, you know, with different pouring mediums, what effects they might get. I don't like being married to one particular formula. I like to experiment. So I also added a tiny bit of, if I can find the bottle, Liquitex pouring medium. That helps it to thicken up. I find that Liquitex pouring medium thickens up kind of quickly. So I added that to these colors just to help them regain a bit of body. The golden pouring medium really was a bit too thin. Okay, so the colors I have the Guatemalan green in the primary elements, Love Struck also in the primary elements. And you'll see when you think you know what the color is going to look like, and then you mix it, it's kind of surprising. I thought this was going to be a very chocolatey brown, and it's really more of a reddish color, more of a deep brick, perhaps. It's very pretty though. So I thought I was going to be having this combination, but I'm having this combination, which is exciting and scary. So I thought, what can I do to make sure that this does not wind up a weird muddy color? So I took some Artist Loft Gold, the old gold, and a bit of the Bling It Gold Pearl. And that's what that label looks like. This is more of just an interference. It gives it a little extra bling. And the dry pigments are more of a semi-transparent or transparent. Old gold is a metallic, or it's a metallic, so it's an opaque. And I also have some titanium white here in the Liquitex Basics. Also an opaque. I'm going to try to separate these colors a bit with these colors to avoid muddiness. So regarding ratios, there's probably an equal amount of golden pouring medium, PolyPour, and the Liquitex pouring medium. These colors are just so rich. I've only put about a spoonful, like one of these spoons, in each cup, so it's about 1/8 of a teaspoon per ounce is what that winds up being. So a little does go a long way. Okay, I'm just going to put a touch of this white in. I mean, really just a bit. And, oh, actually, I'm going to do the green first. I'm going to lay down a base coat here. Oh, I've got some crazy stuff going on in there. Like that red is trying to make cells. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's so thin. And I dripped because I was careless. This is a lot of paint. This is a lot of paint and it's very thin. You hate to tilt this much off, but it was so thin. But it is still very pretty. So okay, I'm going to clean up and I will bring you in for a close-up. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. You can see the green has disappeared. The red has turned the white into a pink. It is dominating this painting. That red is fierce. And the gold is so pretty. Trying to capture that shine for you. Very glittery. I'll be very interested to see how this dries. But as you can see, the sparkle is there, faux show. Okay, well, I will be posting the dried version of this in an upcoming video. In the meantime, please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. If you find these videos helpful and would like to help me stay stocked up in supplies so I can keep bringing you the fresh new content, it is greatly appreciated. Also my Amazon store where you can find the products that I use, but also if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you. Also, our group, Go Make Some Art. Check us out. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Get some inspiration. And my website, GinaDeLuca.net, where you can purchase my art and my music. And I think that's it. So, until next time, I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Now, go make some art.